Hey, HD Auto here. Today we got an 88 F150. It's got a 5.0 EFI V8 in it. And we've got a misfire problem. Number 7 and number 4 cylinder failed the cylinder balance test. We did the basic preliminary ignition testing and everything. That's all good. Did compression tests finally. The number 7 cylinder has no compression. The number 4 cylinder has good compression, and so do the rest of the cylinders. So we have the valve cover off on the number 7 side. It is the 3rd cylinder back there, and I currently have an air line ready to go into the number 7 cylinder. So let me go ahead and plug that in a second. And as you can hear that air coming back through there. It's not coming through the intake. It's not coming through the exhaust. And we have the rockers actually backed off as well, just to make sure the valves are all the way closed. And it's actually coming out through the crankcase. I'm going to move the phone in closer so you can hear that pretty well. We either got cracked rings or we've got a cracked piston. Something like that. We got air coming back through the crankcase.